navigate to the official website of Node, right? So let's do that. I suggest download the latest version whenever you download it. So you just need two things. So the first one is Node.js. Go ahead and install Node.js. So the latest version that is going on is 23.11. So I recommend downloading the latest one. There are ways of downloading. You can use this command to download as well. But I'll just go ahead with this simple installer.msi, which is going to just help me download it directly using a setup package. I'm going to click on it and it will open this JS setup wizard. I accept. Default location is fine. Sorry. It says it's for C, C++ and stuff. You want to install such modules? No, I don't want to, so skip that part and click on install. Probably ask you to, if you don't have the UAC, so it'll ask you that. Just click on yes and it'll start installing the file. Once it is done, you can click on finish, and it is finished installation. How do you check whether it is installed or not? You just have to open command prompt, your terminal, and you can just type node v, and this will give you, if it gives a version information, that means it has been installed, right? So I think that's the version we installed. Check you also, npm also gets installed along with node. So npm is the package manager. So if you just do npm -v 1092, that's the version of your npm.